Today we will be discussing about ship stabilizers and different types of ship stabilizer. So let's see what are the ship stabilizer. As the name indicates, the system maintains stability. Stabilizer means it maintains the stability of ship. Here's a picture of a ship stabilizer. This is a picture of a passenger ship in dry dock. The stabilizer is what we see here. Okay. The purpose of stabilizer is to reduce the rolling. That is sideways motion of ship. Normally, modern big passenger ship and army ship have this stabilizer because by using the stabilizer, almost 70% of rolling can be reduced. Okay, stabilizer means to reduce roll. That is, rolling means sideways motion of ship. Normally, big passenger ship and army ship are using this kind of stabilizer, and stabilizer prevent almost can be reduced almost 70% of the rolling. Ship stabilizer are of different types, but the main function is same, to maintain stability. Ship stabilizer are of different types. Main function is to maintain stability. So, fin type stabilizer and rotary type stabilizer. These are the two types of stabilizer. That is, fin type stabilizer and rotary type stabilizer. These stabilizers are shaped like aeroplane wings, extended out from the side of hull in a perpendicular fashion. Okay, stabilizers are shape of a aeroplane wings extended out from the side of hull in a perpendicular fashion when in use. They can pivot up and down like ailerons on an aeroplane wing. They can pivot up and down like an aileron of an aeroplane wing. Consequently, as a water flows over a stabilizer, it can be turned upwards or downwards to exert, drive or lift. So, it will depend. As the water flows over the stabilizer, it can be turned upward or downward to exert, drive to lift. So, ship stabilizer are different types. The main function is to maintain stability. There are two types, fin type stabilizer and rotary type stabilizer. These stabilizers are shaped like aeroplane wings and extend out from the side of hull to the perpendicular fashion when in use. They can pivot up and down like ailerons on aeroplane wing. Consequently, as the water flows over stabilizer, it can be turned upward or downward to exert, drive or lift it. When a sensor detects the wave in the pushing the ship one way, the ship system will automatically pivot the stabilizer so as to exert the pressure in opposite direction. Okay, when a sensor detects the wave is pushing the ship in one way, then it will what happen to the system will automatically pivot the stabilizer in the opposite direction so that to have a stability, to maintain stability, it will exert pressure in the opposite direction. Okay. When a ship is in port or when the seas are calm, stabilizer can be folded back hydraulically into compartments. Okay, along the side of hull. When ship is in port or calm sea, the stabilizer can be folded back hydraulically into compartments in the side of ship hull. Okay. Then we can say when a sensor dictates the wave that is pushing the ship on one way, then the ship system will automatically pivot the stabilizer so as to exert the pressure in the opposite direction to stabilize the ship. When ship is in a port or in calm sea, the stabilizer can be folded back hydraulically along the side of hull. And stabilizer can be deployed independently. So, ship officer have the option of deploying stabilizer on one side of ship or both sides of the ship according to the sea condition. So, ship stabilizer can be deployed independently. So, the ship officer can decide according to condition whether we need to deploy one side or both sides. Ship stabilizer do create some drag, thus it will affect the speed and fuel efficiency. So, with dragging means we need to give more power. More power means more fuel is consumed. So, speed is also reducing, fuel efficiency is also getting reduced. However, any such loss is not compared because here mainly we are using for the balance stability. So, any such loss has to be balanced against saving in speed and fuel efficiency resulted from reducing ship motion. Okay. Stabilizer can be deployed independently so that ship officer can have the option of deploying stabilizer on one side or the both side depending upon the sea condition. And stabilizer do create some drag and thus can have an impact into reduced speed and fuel efficiency. However, any such loss has to be balanced against saving in speed and fuel efficiency, resulting in the reducing the speed of ship motion. Thank you.